Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
Likewise, tomorrow, 9:30 onwards, eminent scientists will be coming to Goa and then they will be speaking to the student community and public at large. At NIO, we have an inaugural program which will be telecast or streamed live to various other 8 venues in Goa, that is Kankon, Darbandora, Kepe, then Madgaon, Perne, Vasco. So it will be live streamed. And for the inaugural, Honorable Chief Minister will be inaugurating the event along with Minister Science and Technology. We will have this time keynote speaker Dr. S. Somnath, Chairman of ISRO, along with Dr. Anil Kakodkar also will be there. The maiden awardee of Manohar Parrikar Yuva Scientist Award, Dr. S. Mathavaraj from IRSC Bangalore, will be also there. That Dr. S. Mathavaraj was also instrumental in ensuring the descent of the Chandrayaan trajectory. So he has been chosen as the young scientist.